welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Jasenia and it's good to have you here. On today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make the Starbucks cream cheese Danish copycat version, and it's very simple to make and it will save you money by making it right at home. All of this costs about under $6 to make versus $2.75 plus tax for each Danish at your Starbucks location. And all of the ingredients that you're going to need are as pictured here, which is our Pepperidge Farm puff pastry sheets, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of sugar to a half a cup of sugar, depending on sweetness. I used a fourth only. You're also going to need a half a teaspoon of flour so your mixture doesn't crack. And also you'll go with a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg set at room temperature, besides your 1 pack of cream cheese. You want to start by adding in your cream cheese into your stand mixer and your sugar. And then you'll want to mix until well incorporated. Also be sure to scrape your sides and the bottom of the mixing bowl. Once that has incorporated, then you can go ahead and add in your egg and your flour, as well as your vanilla extract. You want to allow this puff pastry to thaw out for about 40 minutes. If you are using it and you find that it's too sticky, it's not setting well to separate, then you'll want to throw back into your freezer for another 5 minutes, and that way it's more manageable to work with. But basically you'll want to extend out the sheets, and in this package you get a total of 2 sheets, which make a total of 12 danishes. So you'll just want to unwrap this and then cut into 6 squares. So on one side, and then turn and cut the other direction as well. Once you've separated all of your pastry squares, and you can go ahead and add in a tablespoon of your mixture into each middle section of these pastry sheets. And then you'll definitely want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and you'll allow these to bake for 15 minutes. That is all it took for me and my oven, but depending on yours, you can go with baking time of 15 minutes to 18 minutes. And these pastries are ready to bake for 15 to 18 minutes at 400 degrees. Again, it only took me 15 minutes in my particular oven, but this is how they came out. Super delicious. Again, go with your half cup of sugar if you like your pastries to be nice and sweet, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.